We'll talk about the tropical Atlantic and the heat of summer. Since we all have to deal with it, let's find the most interesting weather in 2 minutes or less. It's Saturday, September 13th. I'll get you that tropical update as I see it, but that's so far off. Let me show you something else first. These big cauliflower tops. Wow, just look at these pop. Imagine airplanes trying to avoid the center of those boiling tops. And I wondered what the radar looks like under these. Look at this radar from Rapid City. That looks pretty nasty. What's in the path of that cell? Maybe Faith, South Dakota? And here's the view from Bismarck, North Dakota radar. And don't forget this plume over southern Wisconsin. So I checked out Milwaukee radar. I wondered if these storms were producing the strongest winds in the whole country right now. So I tapped the extremes button. There's a gust from Faith, South Dakota. I did not make that up. I know I mentioned Faith. I did not plan ahead for that. A 58-mile-an-hour gust. Wow. I swear I didn't plan ahead for that. That just happened. You're never going to believe me. Here are the other extremes across the country. More severe thunderstorms are forecast for later in North Dakota and along the Texas-New Mexico border region. I know it feels like the seasons have permanently flipped for tens of millions of you. It's been cooler in the east, but imagine if it still felt like the middle of summer. It is still really hot from Iowa to Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Texas too, and moderately humid. It'll get to 97 today in Union, Missouri. And here's the tropical update. Dry and stable air is limiting this system in the short term, but the Hurricane Center gives it a 40% chance of development over the next 7 days. And in 2 weeks, maybe it'll be north of the Lesser Antilles or just east of the Bahamas. I made this device because I love watching the weather. I call it the Weather Observer. I set up a website, TheWeatherObserver.com.